Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the molarity. Molarity is represented with capital M. The definition of the molarity is number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution, 1 liter or 1 cubic decimeter of solution, 1 cubic decimeter of solution. So this is the main point in molarity, that the moles which we are going to consider is about solute, and the solution, the volume which we are taking, that is for solution. Now we are writing the formula capital M equals to moles of moles of solute upon volume of solution, volume of solution. And we have to keep in our mind that volume of solution must be taken in liter or decimeter cube or cubic decimeter. Okay, so the unit is moles per liter, moles per liter. This is the unit. But now, for making it more understandable, we are doing one question. What is the question now? Find out molarity, find out molarity, capital M, if 53 gram Na2CO3, Na2CO3 means sodium carbonate, is dissolved in 500 ml of solution. So here 53 gram Na2CO3, and how we can find out the moles? For find out the for moles, formula is moles equals to given weight upon molecular weight. And what is the molecular weight of Na2CO3? Na2CO3 molecular weight, sodium it's 23 into 2 plus carbon 12, oxygen 16 into 3, and this is 106. Now moles equals to given weight, how much is 53 gram, and molecular weight 106, and this will 0.5. This is the mole. Now come to the solution part, that is the 500 ml. The solution is the 500 ml. Okay, you are getting my point. This is the 500 ml. Now this 500 ml convert into the liter part, and 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. Getting? So keeping this value in the formula, now moles equals to 0.5. Now what is the solution? Volume of the solution is 500 ml. Now convert into the liter, 500 divided by 1000. Now what will happen? This again, how can we solve this? This 0 0 0 0, and this is 0.5. Now 0.5 to 0.5, this is the 1 molar solution. So this this is the method how we can find out the molarity. Now see one more example to make molarity more easy. The question is, find molarity, capital M, of H2SO4 if 49 gram H2SO4 means sulfuric acid is dissolved in 250 ml of solution. This is the question. This is our question. Now see how we can solve this question. The solute is H2SO4. The molecular weight of H2SO4 equals to 98. How we can determine the molecular weight? hydrogen 1, 2 into 1 plus sulfur, it's 32, plus oxygen 16 into 4, and the total is 98. So the molecular weight of H2SO4 is 98. Now the given weight is 49 gram. So given weight equals to 49 gram. Now come to the moles. How can we determine the moles? Moles equals to given weight upon molecular weight. It's 49 upon 98. Now come to the molarity formula. Moles upon volume of solution. Volume of solution. Okay. Now here moles is 49 upon 98. This is the mole part. See, to make calculation more easy, don't solve at a time. Okay. Just have patience. Maybe some digits like that, they can easily divisible by each other. So wait for a minute. Now come to the solution part. This is a 250 ml. Now just putting the value of solution. Volume of solution is 250 ml. Now one more thing, the volume of solution is in liter, but here the solution is given, they have given in ml, okay. So here now what we will do, the ml is convert into the liter by dividing 1000. Now come to the solution part. 49 upon 98, this 1000 will go upside and this 250. And how we can solve this 250? It's here, it's 250, it's 4, and now 49 divided by 92, and 2 2s are 4. So the molarity is 2 ml. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope you can understand this question. Now come to the next question. The question is 50 ml of ethanol, 50 ml of ethanol, C2H5OH means ethanol, is dissolved in 450 ml of water. This is the water. And the question is find the molarity of ethanol. Find the molarity of ethanol. Now in this question, the solute is ethanol. Okay. Here they have not given any kind of mass, but instead of giving mass, they have given the volume of solute and the density. And with the help of volume of solute and the density, we will find out the weight. Okay. Now what is the weight of ethanol? The weight of ethanol equals to volume into density. The formula of density, the representation of density is rho. Okay, density, this is the density. Okay, so when we just multiply the volume and the density, we will find out the weight. Okay, now 50 into 0.79. Okay, the weight is 39.5 gram. This is the weight of ethanol. Now come to the moles part. How can we find out the moles? Moles means the given weight upon molecular weight. Given weight we have find with the help of volume and density, and this is the 39.5 gram. The molecular weight of ethanol is the 46. Okay, the molecular weight of ethanol is the 46. Okay, now what will happen after this? The formula for molarity is moles upon volume of solution. Moles upon volume of solution. Here volume of solution, just keep in your mind, and the moles is for solute. Now 39.5 upon 46, volume of solution. What is the volume of solution? In this question, the solvent, it's 450 and the solute volume is 50. So the total 450 plus 50, total 500. 450 plus 450 plus 50, it's total 500. This is the total volume of solution. But the thing is that here the volume they have given here is in the ml, but here we have to just put the value in the liter. So convert the ml into the liter divided by 1000. Now what will happen after this? 39.5, 46, and just flipping this value and 500. Just solve this. 500 and 1000, it's 2. Now 39.5 upon 46 into 2. Just removing this decimal value here. 2 5s are 10 and 5 here 79. Now 79 upon 46, the value is 1.7, approx 1.7. Okay, this is the molar. So this is the answer. Now we will do one more example in which we will learn some new concepts. Here, the 4.9 gram, as per in the question, 4.9 gram H2SO4 present in 500 centimeter cube and find the molarity. Now see, what will we do about this question? Here, the 4.9 gram H2SO4, this is the given weight of the H2SO4. Now, what about the molecular weight? The molecular weight of H2SO4 equals to 98. Okay, now here the moles, when we are going to find out the moles, the formula for moles is given weight upon molecular weight. Okay, so the 4.9 upon 98, and we will solve it later on. First, we will see the what will happen about the volume. Here, the volume of the solution 500 centimeter cube, it is the solution volume. The full question is that 4.9 gram H2SO4 present in 500 centimeter cube solution. Okay, so the volume of the solution is 500 centimeter cube. Okay, so what we will do for the centimeter cube? The main doubt concerning about the centimeter cube. Listen, the centimeter cube is just similar as the ml unit. So if the questioner is giving the volume in the centimeter cube, same you can write the 500 centimeter cube or you can write the 500 ml. Means 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 ml. Okay, so as if we want to convert the ml into the liter, what we will do? We will just divide by 1000. Same we will do here also. The 500 centimeter cube, to convert into the liter, we just divide by 1000. Now put this value in the formula. The capital M molarity formula equals to number of moles this, and the volume is 500 divided by 1000 to convert into liter. 4.9 upon 98, this will go upside, and then 500. Okay, now how can solve this? Just cut it by 2, just remove the decimal, just 1 by 10. 49 upon 98 into 1 by 10, this 2. Okay, and here the 2 is also, 2 is also present, so just 2 cut it by 2. Same 1 by 10 equals to 0.1 molar. So this is the final answer. I hope you can understand the concept.